Listen up.
We ride with you.
For over 120 years, we've made the best damn motorcycles in the world. We weathered wars, recessions, and plenty of hard times. Born in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and assembled by hardworking folks who pour themselves into every detail, every mile, and every rider who throws a leg over one of our bikes. These machines are a tribute to the American spirit, a bridge to freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the ride. Forged on the open road by those who live it. Our legacy is built on the courage to defy convention. In a world overwhelmed by noise, we live life on simpler terms. Our terms. No agendas, no drama, no bullshit. Just the open road and our love of the ride. Our road, our rules. Let's ride.